And quote
Hi there. Today is Friday, and we actually didn't have a vlog this week, but some people just don't like to be bored.
No, probably.
So we decided to
Probably
make
like
Mr. Brown
like
make
for real.
a
I even went and watched it in the theater when it came out. Like 8 years ago.
a topic. Yeah. And today's topic is
And yeah, I
what
love that movie because
is your favorite movie and why? There's like a bajillion of my favorite movies, and the ones that I actually remember the quotes, they're not exactly school appropriate. Like, I'll just give you an example. Horrible Bosses, Mean Girls, you know.
Why would you watch
Dodgeball.
It's so boring.
No, it doesn't. Mean Girls is awesome. It's hilarious, especially the little African hick dudes. And on the third,
Those are African.
whatever.
She came from Africa.
Okay, anyways.
They're Indian.
No.
Like from India. The math guy?
No, I'm not talking about the math guy. I'm talking about the hick dudes that are in the very beginning of the movie. Anyways.
I don't remember. Anyway.
Yeah.
So
but
yeah,
I guess I should do one from the notebook.
The movie she was picking. She was picking Mean Girls. Who likes
I guess
Mean Girls?
my favorite quote in that one is, if you're a bird, I'm
I've
a
watched
bird.
it like 20 times.
Because that's so
It is
sweet,
boring.
right? She's over here
Anyway.
acting like a freaking fool going, ah,
Anyway,
say I'm a bird. Say it. Say it. And then she was like, you're a bird. And then she just like attacks him. It's crazy. And then she was like, now, say you're a bird. You're a bird, I'm a bird. Like that's just so sweet, you know? And then,
you got to see.
yeah.
Anyway. So yeah.
And then my favorite quote from Horrible Bosses, I'm not gonna say because it has like 2 cuss words in it.
I guess.
Yeah.
I guess.
And then,
because I was gonna make a.
well, actually, it has
but I guess
4 cuss words if you count how many times it's said, which really is 1 cuss word that's said 2 times, then 2 other cuss words. So I can't. No. And then my one from Dodgeball is no.
I'm not recording yet.
Is the one
I'm not
where
recording yet.
the main character was like, come on man, is that really necessary? And the dude in the wheelchair gets all mad and he was like,
George, do your vlog.
necessary? Is it necessary for me to drink my own
If I can get permission
urine?
from
But no, but it's sterile, and but I do it anyway because it's sterile and I like the taste.
Mr. Brown is here.
That's so funny.
Well, he was supposed to.
And then my one from Mean Girls is a little country hick dude that I can't really say the ending of.
It'd probably be a short film.
But yeah, so needless to say, I don't really watch movies that are very appropriate for school. And then, and my new obsession is Pitch Perfect. That one is hilarious. The fat Amy chick, she is the bomb.com. Okay, my favorite part, again, I can't say because it's not good. But I guess my favorite one out of that movie was when they were going to their little competition thing, and Fat Amy got out to get gas, and then the dude like throws a taco at her, and she's like on the ground screaming and crying. Then it switches to the next scene, and they're actually going down the road, and they run out of gas. And Fat Amy was like, oh, it doesn't look like we're going to be moving.
Oh my goodness.
And then the leader chick was like, excuse me? And then Fat Amy was like, awkabelieve it. And I'm sorry. I like that movie. But
It is Nemo.
I guess I just did like a mixture of.
And Nemo's awesome. And
I don't
Nemo's
know.
dad found Nemo.
I guess my
So
favorite
that's
one out of all of
awesome.
those was
And Nemo is Nemo.
The Notebook, because I could actually tell you what the quote was.
And I just think it's
No,
so
Pitch
cute.
Perfect, because I told you what the quote was. Yeah. Well, no, that wasn't my favorite quote from the movie. Oh my goodness. Anyways.
My favorite
Yeah.
quote from the line is,
I
just
will.
keep fishing, just keep fishing, just
I
keep
don't know.
fishing.
I guess I'll have to decide later and then not tell you guys because. Anyways, peace out.